kababayan, lalapitan natin mga ang ganito kakamayan po natin. Kaya tara, samahan niyo.
A few blessing words from someone whose dedication behind the scene helps make the dance right now this gospel. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ma'am Helen B. Salvador. Listen to them,
Thank you. Yung mga kababayan, lahat sila kakamayan natin. Yan. Thank you. Manurin nyo sa TV, nasa TV kayo. Nasa TV kayo.
Thank you, Sir Ale and Sir Arn. Our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Cesar J. Robles. Our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Arvin Atencia. Honorable members of the Sangguniang Bayan, department heads, employees of the local government unit of Panganiban, heads and representatives of national government agencies, our school heads, teaching and non-teaching personnel, our 23 punong barangays, barangay officials and its constituents, members of the Office of the Senior Citizens Affairs, our senior citizens and civic society organizations, our dear balikbayans, guests, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Diyos maghay na banggi po sa gabos. Diyos maghay na banggi po sa gabos. As we gather tonight, we also come to the close of our week-long celebration of the 105th founding anniversary and town fiesta of our beloved municipality of Panganiban, held in honor of our patron saint, Saint James the Greater. From July 18 until this evening, we have witnessed a series of meaningful, colorful, and exciting activities that brought together our people in celebration, fellowship, and thanksgiving. The enthusiasm, unity, and active participation of ourselves truly made this year's fiesta a remarkable success. Let us give ourselves a well-deserved round of applause. Allow me to share a personal reflection. For many years, while my husband and I were working and living in Manila, from the 1980s until my retirement in 2016, we always made it a point to come home to Panganiban every year and celebrate our town fiesta. No matter how long and tiring the journey from Manila to Bicol was, we never missed the opportunity to return to our beloved hometown. Those annual homecomings remain among our most treasured memories. There is simply no substitute for the joy of reuniting with family, connecting with childhood friends, meeting fellow Panganibanons from different parts of the Philippines and abroad, and sharing laughter, stories, and unforgettable moments together. As we often say, hindi mababayaran ang mga ngiti, iyakapan, at mga kwentong walang katapusan. These are memories that stay in our hearts forever. That same spirit of reunion and belonging is what we celebrate tonight during our official ball and Balik Fiesta night. On behalf of the local government of Panganiban, Mayor, Honorable Cesar J. Robles, and our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Arvin Atencia, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who contributed to the success of this celebration. Our sincere appreciation goes to the chairman of this evening's activity, Honorable Edgardo Morales, together with the members of the organizing committee for their dedication and hard work in making this official ball and ballet fiesta night truly meaningful and memorable. We also thank our punong barangays and their respective councils, our government agencies, schools, civic organizations, volunteers, sponsors, performers, balikbayans, guests, visitors, and every Pandigbanon who participated and supported this year's festivities. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Diyos mabalos sa kapos.
Dito na lamang po ang pagbabalik ko. Welcome to my channel. I'm Newton Vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Presence reminds us